Andito na ang Super App, hindi ito superhero but sa totoong buhay ay nakakatulong sa bawat Filipino. Sa pamamagitan ng app, madali na lang hanapin ang mga online sites ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno, national man o lokal. Officially, it is named eGOVph by DICT but it got the moniker as Super App kasi andito lahat ng services ng gobyerno. After downloading the app from Play Store for Android devices, the Apple Store for iOS, and successfully creating an account on the Super App, you need to wait for the approval of your account to fully use the app. Mula sa shortcut, you can open the eGOVph or the Super App. Then, dun sa kanyang homepage, makikita mo dito, you have two options for opening the app. It's either you enter your MPIN or you can scan your fingerprint. Then sa kanyang homepage, makikita mo dyan mula sa itaas yung mukha mo. Talagang mukha mo lang yung makita sa profile pic niya. Okay? Then you can see there your first name, your real name, your first name. Then baba yung telephone number mo or your mobile numbers. Then immediately makikita mo sa panel dito sa baba yung different features of the app. NGAs are the national government agencies. So kung i-open mo to, makikita mo dito ang daming mga government agencies. For example, pupunta tayo LTO. Then you'll select the online site of the LTO where we can transact business, LTMS portal. You have to agree kasi gagamitin din ng LTO site yung pangalan mo, yung phone number mo, at yung email address mo. You are warned that you are going to view an external website. So lalabas ka nasa Super App. Then you have to press continue. Nakalagay sa itaas, by the way, ongoing SSO integration, meaning ongoing pa yung pag-integrate ng Land Transportation Office site sa Super App. So dito nakita mo yung LTMS portal. Kung magpaparenew tayo ng lisensya natin, pwede natin dito gagamitin, okay? So it's either kung wala kang pang account, you have to register. Kung meron ka na account sa LTO, then you have to log in. So importante, kailangan may account ka in every agency na pupuntahan mo. Okay? Pero kung wala ka naman business sa ibang agency, so you don't need to create an account. Doon lang sa mga agencies na may transaction ka, like LTO para sa lisensya mo, or you can go to the DFA. Meron siyang e-passport dito. But this is not available yet. Ongoing ang construction dito sa site. So later on, makompleto na to. Kasi bago pa yung Super App. In fact, nakalagay dito sa kanyang marka, it's beta pa. So under testing pa siya. But you can already use this app. Then LGUs refers to the local government. Then may nakalagay ng listed services pero wala pa dito sa amin. If we select other places, let's say punta tayo Metro Manila. Ang gusto ko puntahan yung Makati kasi yung Makati is ready yan. City of Makati, tingnan mo, meron na agad sila. So let's say Makati business, you have to agree. Then you have to create your account here kung wala ka pang account, or just log in diretso. So ganoon kadali, no? Ready yung Makati. So that's LGU. Then you have also jobs here. When you open this e-jobs, you'll be prompted to create your resume. So go to my resume. If you press that, then you're going to build your resume, okay? Para dyan. So kayo na mag-continue. Then tourism, these are all the different sites here. Sandami, kikita mo dyan. Beachfront, mountain, island, camping. Okay, so you can also search. So this is powered by the DOT site. Okay, ongoing din ang integration nito. Then aside from tourism, makita natin ito travel. This refers to the e-travel. Yung e-travel is required yan if we are going to depart from the Philippines or arrive in the Philippines. You have to register 72 hours prior to your arrival or departure in the country. So kaya dito ka na mag-register, okay? So madali na lang. Startup, this refers to startup businesses, yung mga bagong tech firms, technological firms. So kung meron kang startup business, pwede ka dito mag-register and magagamit mo ito. Ito yung mga health services ay isang map na makikita mo dito yung mga health centers or health agencies or health facilities na malapit sa location mo. So kailangan mo ilagay dito yung location mo, otherwise hindi ito magpa-function. Okay? Then more, when you click more, meron pang maraming tabs dito o features. Coming soon pa yung Department of Agriculture headed by our President. Okay. And SIM card is for the SIM card registration. So andito mga telcos. And report is all about kung meron ka mga reklamo, crime, scam, women abuse, fire, red tape, child abuse, overpricing, accident. So pwede ka dito mag-report. So ito yung parang hotline sa former administration. Then we have also OFW, which is still under construction by the Department of Migrant Workers. Shoreless, so i-hide niya yung ibang features. And sa baba naman na panel, meron itong just like a repetition ng sa itaasang ito, mga specific agencies nandito. Also the featured e-government services, andito rin nakalagay. And popular destinations, ito naman yung sa tourism, okay? So yan, babalik ka doon sa tourism tab. Then below, yung mga tabs, we are in home. Kung doon tayo sa news, makikita mo ito, lahat is a government news galing sa government media. In fact, makikita mo ito, all good and praises for the government. And most of the headlines are PBBM. PBBM launches, PBBM invites, PBBM to AFP personnel. So, pro-government yan. Okay, siyempre. Then, yung nasa gitna is QR code yan. Makita mo dyan yung detalye mo, saka yung QR code mo. Meron pang proposal na government ID wallet. So, dito mo, pwede kayo mag-store dito ng different IDs mo. Lagay mo yung in-bank clearance mo, yung ID mo, passport, at saka yung Siemens book mo. Pwede mo scan dito. Okay? You can scan your ID. Let's say, for example, in-bank clearance, nakalagay dito, scan your ID. So, you can scan there and store your IDs. Driver's license, ganun din. You have to scan kung meron ka. So, parang, ano siya, depository. Okay? You have your national ID, Philippines ID. So, kung pwede ka mag-shoot dito, let's say, meron na akong ditong ID, nakalagay na, so na-store na siya kasi you are required to submit an ID when you open an account under the SuperApp. So, ginamit ko yung national ID ko. Okay? Hindi ko pa nilagay yung driver's license ko dito. So, that's the purpose of the QR code. Then, history refers to the transactions involving the use of this app. So, makikita mo yung notifications dito. I was approved on June 16. But I created my account on June 13. So, 3 days talaga. 2 to 3 days yung binigay or yung allowance na ma-approve yung account mo sa dami na siguro. Wala pang transactions nakalagay dito. Okay? Notifications pa lang. Then your account here, you have your name above, your details, and there are FAQs here if you want to ask about the eGov mobile app. Andito lahat yung mga kasagutan ng mga tanong nyo. Then, about eGOVph, then, if you can send feedback, then the better para ma-improve ang app. Then, you have to rate the app kung anong gusto mo, rate later. And settings, dito yung account settings mo, personal information mo, nakalagay dito. And yung preferred language naman, balak ng siguro ng administration na gumawa ng versions na according to the regional language, the national language, or English. Then we have Tagalog or Filipino. Then we have Cebuano and Ilocano. Yun lang. Pero hindi pa to siya functional as of now. You see that? So hindi pa siya ready. English pa ang meron. access and control, and you can actually downgrade or delete your account. Dito mo i-delete na yung account mo. Okay? Why delete when you open an account? Okay? Unless you have a suspicious transactions and activities. You can also change the personal ID or the MPIN, the mobile personal identification number mo dito. Pwede mo ma-change. Then you can also disable your fingerprint authentication here or your access via fingerprints. And you can read here the privacy and policy. What is important here is, although marami mga personal data mo dito na nakalagay sa SuperApp, but this is covered by the Data Privacy Act. So yan ang importante. Kung sakali ma-share ng gobyerno yung personal information mo, pwede ka maghabol sa kanila. Okay? Pwede tayo mag-file ang kaso sa ombudsman or in the court for violating our privacy. Okay? So covered siya ng Data Privacy Act. So hindi tayo magka-problema dyan. Terms and conditions, this governs the use of the app. So napakaganda naman ito. Kung makompleto yung super app, then we can use this fully. If you have some questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Daghang salamat. Ako si Jun Tariman. High Tech. Bye.